What time did you start the trip? We started the trip at 7 a.m. We started the trip at 8:15 a.m. We started the trip at 5:30 p.m. How did you go there? We went there by motorbike. We went there by car. We went there by coach. We went there by plane. How far is it from Hanoi to Ha Long Bay? It's about 100 kilometers from Hanoi to Ha Long Bay. How long did it take you to get there? It took us about 1 hour. It took us about 2 hours. It took us about 50 minutes. It took us about 1 hour and 45 minutes. It took us about 3 hours and 30 minutes. What time did you arrive there? We arrived there at 9 p.m. We arrived there at 3:30 p.m. We arrived there at 11 a.m. What was the weather like there? The weather was very sunny. The weather was windy. The weather was cloudy. The weather was rainy. The weather was foggy. The weather was snowy. The weather was nice. The weather was beautiful. The weather was hot. The weather was cold. The weather was cool. The weather was nice and very sunny. How was the scenery there? The scenery there was very beautiful. The scenery there was gorgeous. The scenery there was beautiful. The scenery there was very romantic. The scenery there was very wonderful and majestic. How were the people there? The people there were very friendly. The people there were very kind. The people there were hospitable. The people there were very polite. The people there were very nice and helpful. What did you do there? We made a campfire. We put up a tent. We bought souvenirs. We played games. We swam, climbed mountains, went sightseeing and took photos. Where did you have lunch? We had lunch in a restaurant. We had lunch in a hotel. We had lunch in a tent. We had lunch outside. We had lunch on the beach. We had lunch at our friend's house.